And jersey number 1. Masaya na. Good luck, Brooklyn. Jump ball, kaya jump. Kontra kay jersey number 44. Abing. Jump ball, first protection, go to. Attitude. Nana. Pass through. Sa ulog, pass number 11, 2 points. First 2 points, pass na rin ng attitude. Jersey number 23. Yung ito, bando na no. Internet para kay Biab. Commercial. Number 11, Tunana. Pass through. Ating Kando, pass through. Sa ulog, sinukot. Wala na ako ni number 23. Pass to number 8, pass through. Kay Kuya, take a two. Wala na ako ni sa ulog. Pass to kay Biab. Kaya Biab, kaya sinagdaw. Kaya Biab, kaya sinagdaw ito. Foul committed, jersey number 0. That is your first personal foul. First free foul. Nana, to Aticaldo. Aticaldo now. Pass to Nana. Nana, pass to Ulo. Pass to Aticaldo. Take a 2 points. Good run para sa team ng attitude. Jersey number 23 now. Abelio, pass to. Abelio again, pass to. Hello, Bangdoy. Jersey number 8, take a look, Liban now. Take a look, no good. Now, kaya Biab. Kaya Biab, jersey number 29. Kaya Biab now, pass to Nana, pass to Ulog. Wow, ganda pa, Saka. So, di naman bird. Jersey number 0 now. Number 0. Pass to number 44, Kaming. Tugod na, kaya Biab now. Pass to Pata. Aticaldo now. Aticaldo. Nawala ang bola na sa kanila ay pass to number 11 to Nana. Pass! Nana, Kasper, 2 points. Villaver now. Pass to number 0, take a 2. Wala pa rin, di ba kuha first 2 points. Ayun dito, wala pa rin. Nakakuha ni Villaver 11 to Nana. To Aticaldo. Aticaldo now. Aticaldo ulit. Safe. Kaya Biab now. Kaya Biab rin. Kaya Biab now. Penses. Foul para sa team ng attitude. Number 22, Abelio. Pass number 0. Jersey number 0 pa rin. Inangat. Wala na ako niya pa rin. Inangat pa rin. Nakakuha na lang first 2 points para sa team ng RCS. Outlet pass, ito ulod, ang bola niya. Jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Foul committing jersey number 17 on Aticaldo. That is your first personal foul, first big foul. Pusha. Wala. Basket. Kaya Biab now. Kaya Biab pa rin. Gandang pass. Wala na ako ang lead. Basket number 8. Jersey number 8. Good defense para kay Aticaldo. Wow! Good. Shot para kay jersey number 8. Number 11. Pass to Aticaldo. Aticaldo. Iniwan ang dalawa. Aticaldo pa rin. Aticaldo. Pass to kaya Biab. Kaya Biab. Kaya Biab. Pass to. Sa ulo. Pass to. Number 11. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Nino. Sa team na RCS. Pass to Villaver now. Gandang pass kay ng 0. Inangat. Wala na. Nakuha ni number 8. Take a 2. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni 3. Caldo. Ating Caldo, pa-Pilipinana. Ating Caldo, pass to number 11. Take up to... Wala na, wali. Isa ulo, foul committed jersey number 8. That is your first personal foul, second team foul. Take up three. Wala. Balog. Daming basket. Number 0, pass to number 8. Nasusundan, Villaver now. Shot clock 15. Pass to number 44. Passing. Inangat. Wala na. 180. 2 points. Change favor. Kaya Biab now. Kaya Biab, foul committed jersey number 8. That is your second personal foul, third team foul. Substitution jersey number 8 out, number 46 in. Kaya Biab to number 11 inangat, wala na ako ni number 44. Pass number 46, number 23, inangat 2 points. Kaya Biab now. Kaya Biab. Substitution. Nana out, Ferredo in. Villaver, pass number 23, take a 3, wala na, wala number 29, kaya Biab, akin na to, kaya Biab. Good defense para kay Villaver, nasundan na ako ng sa hulog, inangat, wala na ako ni Villaver. Villaver to number 28, to number 44, passing, inangat, wala na ako ni Baren, inangat, 2 points. Jersey number 29, warning for technical. Ating Caldo now. Ating Caldo pa rin. Pass to kaya Biab, take a 3. Wala na ako ni foul committed jersey number. Number 23, pass to number 48. Pass to Ami. Pass to number 0. Huling ang foul committed jersey number 11. That is your first personal foul. Second, team foul. 2 shots. Wala. Wala ba rin? Ating Caldo to kaya Biab na pwesta na. Foul committed jersey number. Foul rin. Wait lang, 26. 46. Ilan na yun? First personal foul, 1 week. First row, basket. Last row. Basket. Number 0 now. Number 0 pa rin. Shot clock 15. Pass number 23. Pass to Nino. Big ball ang tinawag ng referee. 11 second shot clock. Bola ng attitude. Ha? 1 minute. Kaya Biab now. Kaya Biab goes over the move. Side step. Pass to Nino. Third quarter again. Papel now, jersey number 23. 1 minute and 5. Pass to Nino, number 0. To number 23, take a 2. No good na. Point number 46, 2 points. 15 seconds remaining. Ricardo, backdoor pass. Tingnan si Ross. Foul and 1. Throw. Basket. There, 5 seconds remaining. 30 seconds. Shot clock 15. Abelio now. 25 seconds. Abelio take up. Huli. 15 seconds remaining. Elbiak now. Pass to Canoy, use the ball, wala na ako ni Perredo Vega, 2.5 seconds, basta na lang po. Not basket. Deadlock 13, official score. Jersey number 0 now. Torino. Inaman, wala na ako ni Canoy. Shot clock 15. Nasudutan na ako ni Saulog. Saulog, Terminator, laki o. Change favor na. Attitude, di Bangilog na now. Ay Bangilog sa rin. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Para mag-SM lang. Tingati. Wala na ako ni Biab. Kaya Biab. Akin na to. Kaya Biab. Drop pass kay sa hulog. Wala na ako ni number 14. Inangat. Wala na ako ni. Hindi ko makita. Inangat. Wala pa rin. Sa hulog na pinasipag. Canoy now. Back. Kaya Biab. Jersey number 45. That is your first personal foul. First team foul. Canoy. Back to number 14. Back to Peredo. Back to Nahulog. Basket. Nahulog. Number 0, 4 points lead, pagdating ng attitude. Bora Ananaw, jersey number 24, pass to may kuya. Parang nag-SM lang. Grabe, violation. Kaya Biab now, point guard. Kaya Biab pa rin. Kaya Biab. Pass to. Outlet pass kay number 0. 2 points. Kaya Biab now. Number 29 side foul minute jersey number 0. Holding foul, second personal foul, second team foul. 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Kaya Biab inangat foul and 1. Totoro. Basket. Number 0 now. Number 0 pa rin. Pass number 46. Pass number 45. Sa hulog now. Outlet pass kay number 40. Napakabilis. Huli ka. Pass na kay number 17. Outlet pass. Number Berredo. Wow! Time out. RCS Ballers. Number 0. Number 0 na. Number 48. Wala na rin. Amin. 2 point. 2 point. Parado. Teka 3. Berrel now. Pasok. Kaloy ng ilam. Wala. Nakawali. Berredo. Number 16. Ayan na. Woo! Asa kanya ka rin. Foul. Sabi ni Curtis eh. Uy, game mo ha. Pag-wento na inig lang ha. Number 0 now. Uy, pag-wento na inig lang ha. Ready for stop. Aming back-to-back 2 points. Time out! Attitude! Kinabahan din. Berredo. To Kanoy. 3 point guard. Kanoy. To kaya Biaw. Kaya Biaw to. Number 8. Kikalu. Wala na. Wani. C. Turnover. Attitude. Number 0 now. Number 0 pa rin. Good deep alay Kanoy. Pinasakay. Number 46 shot pang 15. Pass to number 33. Take Abdul. Number 45. Back to Pardo. Pass to number 0. 2 points. Lead down to 1. 21 to 22. Kaya biyak-biyak na iwan na siya. Good pick. Ganda bata. Turn over again. Pagkasin ng attitude. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining. Amin to number 0. Number 0 pa rin. Shot lang. 15. Amin. Inamat. 2 points. 8 people. Ready for stop. Bago back to 2 points. Kaya biyak. Foul po ni jersey number 23. First personal foul. Working for penalty. Kaya biyak now. Foul again. Black and foul para kay number 23. That is your second personal foul. Penalty situation. Penalty situation. Penalty. Time remaining 1 minute 16 seconds. Wala. Buwas na lang. Offensive rebound para kay Beredo. 10 second shot na. Trapas sa kalaban pero magpabilis. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Tinangat Trapas. 1 minute and 9 seconds to go. 15 seconds shot. Take a 2 points. 15 seconds intercept. Number 0 now. Number 0 guys, they move with the bata. Knock now. 40 seconds remaining out the pass by Beredo. Wala. Nawani. Antimano. Nasa kanya pa rin. 15 seconds shot na. 45 seconds. Guys, they move. 2 seconds remaining. 25 seconds. 2-1 shot na ito. 20 seconds remaining. 15 seconds now. Line violation. Time out. RPS. Border. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. Basta na lang po. Foul for increasing number 16, Beredo, that is your second personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots para kay number 46. Natawag na 0.8 seconds remaining, 0.8. First throw, wala. Last throw, may oras na po ah. The first half. Atikado now. Factor basket sa ulog. Paso. Antimano. Ricardo. 14 second shot. Nasa nila na ako ni Albedo. Albedo. Pass to number 0. 2 points. Number 74. Ricardo na makabilis. Foul to win jersey number. Foul to win jersey number 8. Got it your third personal foul. First team foul. Jersey number 8. Warning for technical. Number 8 now. Jersey number 8. Foul to win jersey number 74. Ricardo. Second personal foul. First team foul. First row. Basket. Wala. Number 29, Epiam. Pass sa Ricardo. Pass sa kalaban. Number 0. Number 0 na kwenta. Pass sa jersey number 5. 2 shots. 5 jersey number 0. First personal foul. Second team foul. Basket. Pito na ang kalamangan. Last row. Basket. Walo na ang kalamangan. Kaya biyab now. Kaya biyab. Paso si Kado. Si Kado, 2 points. Number 0 now. Paso Aming. Paso number 23. Wala na Wani. Aming na 14 second shot clock. Aming na 10 second shot clock. Number 8, pass to number 0. 5 seconds shot. Pinuntahan natin Caldo now. Ating Caldo na pabilis. Big ball. 19 second shot clock. 26 to 33. Sa ulog inangat. 2 points. Number 0 now. Jersey number 0 pa rin. Pass to number 32. Sige ba? Save ball. 14 second shot na. Save ball na tinawag ng referee. Save ball. Cutter daw, cutter. Grinder daw. Hindi 14 second shot na. Gandang pata, pinalim pa, 35 to 28. Ating Caldo now. Pass to sa ulog, gandang pata, Adredo. Dito ball, wala na. Wala number 0. Jersey number 0 pa rin. Pass to Villaver. Villaver, gandang karaw. Villaver, gandang pata. Pass to Dave ball, 14 second shot clock. Number 20. Take a two. Ball na. Attitude ball. Dikado to kaya Biab. Setting up play. Kaya Biab pa rin. Kaya Biab pa rin. Kaya Biab pa rin. Kaya Biab pa rin. Shot lock 15. Kaya Biab. Take a lead back. Kaya Biab. 3. Lead down the ball. 4 na. Number 8. Take a 2 points. Ating Caldo, kumama na rin. Caldo, pass to Laredo. Mabiling violation. Five minutes exactly. Villaver now. Villaver pa rin. Pass number 23. Pass to Dane ball, shot clock 17. Huli. Wala na ng attitude. Ating kaya Biab now. Kaya Biab. Take a beat. Gandang pasay. Peredo inangat. 2 points. Good ball rotation para sa team ng attitude. Jersey number 0 pa rin. Alaka, paso, Aming. Aming, shot ng 15. Paso number 8. Number 8, take a 2. Wala na ako ng Peredo. Peredo. Inangat. Wala na ako ni sa ulog. Gandang pasay. Dulas, kanya pa rin. Number 14, take a 2. Wala na ako sa ulog. 2 points. Lead down the 2, dalawa na lang ang naman. Sige. Pedro, using the board, wala na yung Pedro. Good run para sa team ng attitude. Wala na naman sa team ng attitude. Nasa Severedo yung naman. Deadlock na sa 7. Ready for top. Number 23, pass to number 0. Mismatch. Third team foul pa na. Down play. Ricardo inbound the ball. Out play to Log, pass to Antimano, good. Big 2 points, James Faithful, lagang attitude ng dalawa. Number 0 now. Number 0 pa rin, shot clock 15. Abella to number 8. 10, shot clock. Take a 3, bang! Change Rico again. 2 minutes exactly. Anicado now. Shot clock 15. Pass to number 14. Take a 3. Wala na, Wani. Number 8, Anicado. Number 8, Kaisep. Inangat. Wala na, Wani. Villaver, number 8. 3 versus 1. Anicado. Laban ng tatlo. 2 points para kay number 0. Kaya Biab now. Kaya Biab pa rin. Kaya Biab pa rin. Pass number 22. Number 22. Same ball, 14 seconds shot clock. Pass to Anticado, take a 2. Wala na ako ni Anticado. 10 seconds shot clock. Foul committed jersey number. Jersey number 74, warning 4 fouls out. Warning 4 penalty. 50 seconds remaining. 45 seconds remaining. Good job. Ricardo, 35 seconds. Antimano, wala. Wala pa rin. Ako ni jersey number 8. 25 seconds remaining. Pedro, 2 point shot down job. 20 seconds. 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. And at the third quarter, official score 46-39 in favor of Angry and Ballers. Villaver, pass, maganda pass pa ilalim, 2 points. Lumodobo na naman ang kalabangan na Roslyn. Kaya Biab, pass sa ulog, 20, 45. Third personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots. First goal. Wala. Last goal, basket. Wala ka naman. Nasir Roslin. Villaver, pinali sa kalaban kay Abiab now. Kay Abiab pa rin. Kay Abiab, pati sa hulog, pati na ba 22, foul and 1. Foul jersey number 44 ko Ami, that is your first personal foul, second team foul. Wala na one number 45. Pass to Villaver. Villaver sa number 8. Take up 2. Wala na. Kaya Biag to Atikado na ito. Kabilis Atikado. Atikado. Turn off. Sobrang bilis eh. Regular stop. Number 48. Pass to Villaver. 15 second shot clock. 7 minutes and 13. Nasunod na ang take ball. And Pipano out. Nanak Master team. Number 46 to Villaver. 10 second shot clock. Take a 2 points. 8-point lead para sa team na Roslin. Kaya Biab now, jersey number 29. Take a big pass number 22. Pass on the Ricardo. Take a 2 points. 6-point lead. Outlet pass. Kanina number 46. Good big pass. Kay Ricardo. Napakasipan. Sa hulog now. Sa hulog pass on Nana. Nana kinakabahan. Ricardo now. Ricardo now. Ricardo Bushi. Pass to Biab. Pass to hulog. Sa hulog pass to Nana. Ayan na. Wala. Bola na. Roslin. Tantan ng buzzer eh. Saban po Ami. Pass to number 22, Villaver. Ami, pass to number 46, take a 2. Again, wala na ako number 22. Pass to Nana. Nana, di pa yun. Nana again. 2 balls. Ready for shot. Number 44, Ami. 4-point lead, Barcelona, Roslin. Number sa Ami, kalapos kay number 45, ready for shot. Time remaining, 5 minutes and 30. Pass to number 8, number 8, 3 seconds, ready shot. Dekado now. So kaya Biab. Point guard. Kaya Biab pa rin. Kaya Biab. Dekade. Kaya Biab. Dapat kay sa ulog. Ganda pa sa 2 points para kay sa ulog. Dalawa na lang ang alamangan na. Si Roslin. Number 8 now. 15 seconds shot now. Time remaining 4 minutes and 40 seconds para sa fourth final quarter. Number 44, 5 seconds shot now. Take a 2 points. Out and pass kay Atikado. Atikado. Pass to kay Biab. Shot clock. Down to 15. Pass number 22. Pinato. Nagulat. Number 20 now, Villaverde. Villaverde now, pass to number 0, take at 2. Wala na ako ni Villaverde. Villaverde, pass to Nino. Atikado na raw. Atikado. Atikado na ano kaya? Take at 2. Short. Wow! Makasipa mo. Wala na sa Caperon. Abedja now, pass to number 8. Out now, pinning violation. Para sa team ng Roslyn, bola kabalik ng attitude. Time remaining 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Kaya Biab now. 3 minutes exactly. Kaya Biab pa rin. Shot clock 15. Kaya Biab pa rin. Wow, ganda pa. Ang nahulog pa. Kanino? Number 0. Good team para Kaya Decato, 2 points for number 8. Balik sa kalamangan ang Roslyn. Atikado na now. So kaya Biab Tegati, wala na wani. Number 48, pass to number 23. 2 points. Turnover again. Number 0, take a 2. Wala, ready for timeout. Timeout. Attitude. Jersey number 74, Atikado. 5 fouls. Kalamangan ng Team Roslyn. Bigo. Wala na ako ng Biab. Kaya Biab pa rin. Kaya Biab pa, dinahulog to Kanoy. Kanoy siya sa Kurnian, Kanoy siya pa. Kaya Biab pa, jersey number 23. Third personal foul. Third personal foul, third team foul. Villaverde out. Aming team. 1 minute and 51 seconds para sa fourth and final quarter. Personal wala. Roslyn. Time remaining 1 minute and 45 seconds. Shot clock 15. Number 0 take. Pass number 8 take at 2. Wala na ako ni. Ami. Shot clock 10. Number 8. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Shot clock using the ball. 2 points. Kanoy. Pass na kaya Biab. Biab. Pass to number 11. Sinabahan na ulit Kanoy using the ball. 2 points. Official score 55-58. Number 0 now, ready for stop. 15 second shot clock, 1 minute and 5. Binato, wala lang sa kanyang red. 1 minute exactly, seconds to go. 55 seconds, Nana. Ganda pass ka number 11, using the ball, 2 points. 1.8, pass kami ng Roslyn, jersey number 0. Pass to number 44. Inangat Ruliga. Nakuha ni number 46. 40 seconds remaining. 10 seconds shot clock. 35 seconds. Number 8. Pass number 23. 5 seconds shot clock. Inangat. 25 seconds. 57. Sa ulog inangat. 12 minutes. Jersey number. 23. Warning for foul out. Warning for penalty. Time remaining 22 seconds. 22 seconds. 2 shots para kay sa hulog. Ready for timeout para sa team na Roslyn. Last row. Timeout Roslyn. 58 to 60. Shot clock is off. 9 seconds. Shot clock 14. 9. Number 8. Paso Roslyn. Naulog now. Paso Ayab. 15 seconds remaining. Paso Roslyn. Timeout Roslyn. Wala na pong timeout. Ang Team Roslyn para sa fourth quarter. Attitude sa isa pa. For 11.4 seconds para sa fourth and final quarter. Line. Play para sa Team Roslyn. Paso para sa jersey number 11. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. Regular time of the team. Now. 5 seconds, Villaver. Foul committed jersey number 7. 3.7 seconds. 3.7 seconds. Warning for penalty. Third personal foul. 3.7 seconds. 3.7 seconds. Hey. Angat. Defense para sa team ng Attitude. 3.7 seconds. Out the pass para number 8. 1 second pass para the ball. And after ball game, Roslyn wins 60 to 58. Congrats para sa team ng Roslyn. Best player of the game. Best player of the game, jersey number 0, Olaco. With 0 points.